So I am Morgane. I am a security engineer at SAP. At first, I was a software engineer, and I've been a software engineer for about 4 years. But I've always been interested in security. My first job was that I was doing firmware for smart card readers. So that was a bit touching security, and I was really interested in it. So I had a mentor in security, and he really helped me go through this journey and try to find a job in security. And one of his first advice was to maybe try to get a certification in security. So that's how I took the CEH. And after the CEH, I got my first job as a security engineer. And it was about 2 years ago, yes, that I started at SAP. So I decided to do the CEH program because I really wanted to work in security, but the thing is, I didn't have any security experience. And the CEH was one of the only security certification where if you were taking the program, you didn't need to have prior security experience. So that was really a good introduction for me because I was able to have an overview about different security topics, have also some hands-on labs, and still be able to get the security certification that would enable me to then be able to get a job in security. So I do believe that CEH benefited my career in the way that it enabled me first to get a job in security. I know that certification is not the only thing, and you definitely have to work for it. But I do believe that getting the CEH certification enabled me to get job interviews, because I believe that HR in the first place are looking at certifications when you're trying to get a security job, even especially when you don't have security experience. So I do believe that it enabled me to get more interviews for jobs in security. And I also do believe that it really prepared me for security interviews, because with the CEH, you definitely see a lot of security topics, and you definitely touch a lot of things like network or cryptography, things like that, that I might not know before the certification. So I do believe that it really trained me to be able to manage the security interview questions. So in that sense, it really helped my career. So to be honest with you, I'm not sure how recognized the CEH is in my organization. I do believe that they might have a list of, certifications, like security certification that are well known. I know that that was a certification that was known to my manager when he hired me. And I know that knowing that I did the training and that I passed the security certification was definitely a plus in my interview. So as I was saying, it definitely helped me get the job that I wanted. I didn't get a promotion or raise because I got the CEH. Since I was a security engineer, I was a software engineer, sorry. So getting the CEH for them was not something that really interested them. But I really wanted to work in security, so that enabled me to apply for security position and get interviews, and therefore get the job that I wanted. It impacted, my way of seeing certifications at first, because that was my first certification. So I do believe that it was really eye-opening and what was needed of me to get a certification. And it also opened my eyes on more different security topics. As I was saying, I didn't have a security experience before. So being able to do the labs and have some hands-on things that I could do, and also seeing all the different security topics that existed, I do believe that it impacted me in that way, and being more eye-opening about the different security issues that I could encounter, and what interests me most. So I do believe that since, I got more experience in security, it helped me give back to the community, in the sense that I am now a mentor in my company, a security mentor. So we do have a program where software developers might get, a security mentor to be more aware about security and how to develop with security in mind. So this is the second year that I'm doing that. I'm a security mentor. Otherwise, I do still go to security meetings like the OWASP meeting, but I have to admit that I'm not a speaker or anything like that. I would like to, but maybe in a near future. Yeah, I think that, like most of people, the hands-on lab was definitely the more fun, because you actually get to see what the theory is. So you actually try to use the attack. You're actually trying to use your security knowledge to do something, and I do believe that at the end, that's kind of all we want to do. So that was very, like, the most fun part, I would say. And otherwise, the other topic that I really enjoyed was cryptography. I really like it, and especially come back to network, where you would have TLS handshake or anything like that. I do really enjoy cryptography, and I thought that it was a very interesting topic. So I do believe that EC Council definitely had a part in my career, because their training was definitely very good and really helped me get the certification, and the certification itself really helped me in my career to get interviews and to get the job that I wanted. So to that, I would say to the EC Council, thank you very much, and keep up with the good work. And yeah, just continue updating also the material to make sure that we're all up to date. And that would be it.